Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed, by Mahatma Gandhi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Asri, postgraduate student of Science and Technology Faculty. As we know, around 4.4% of the crustaceans, including prawns, lobsters, and crabs, are the most important resources in the terms of their availability in the world seafood industry. It is estimated that 43,000 tons of crab stocks have been exploited in Indonesia Sea, which is half its availability. The Minister of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries, through regulation concerning the prohibition of catching and/or releasing crab by Scylla genus from the territory of the Republic of Indonesia, is the government effort in order to maintain the empowerment and availability of crab resource population by regulating carapace size, season capture, and pay attention to the condition of laying eggs or not. For this reason, a tool or prototype is needed to manage aquatic resources that make it easier for the fishermen to sort crabs that are mature in gonadal developments to be managed as commodities. The unqualified size of crab will be back to the nature to grow, to breed, and to fattening. The length-weight relationship, or LWR, is a useful tool to predict the weight at a certain weight and vice versa. To analyze condition in this, to estimate the biomass of the fishery resources. The length-weight relationship, LWR, determines separately for males and females and total individuals of Scylla genus by logarithm equation. W is AL power 2b, and the Fulton condition factor was calculated with the formula K is 100 W divided L power 23. The application of the relationship between carapace width and condition factors can be applied determining the minimum maturity size of male or female crabs based on LWR and condition factor of it. The way fishermen can sort out crabs that are gonadally mature and ready to be marketed, while the rest can be returned to the wild. This application uses a microcontroller-based Arduino with the following mechanism. First, crabs are placed one by one on the input rivet. Next, utilizing the force of gravity, the crabs slide forward over the sorting slot and unqualified size will fall down to the grade C output. The qualified size will still slide to the weight sensor at the front. At the weight sensor, the crabs will be measured for weight and will be sorted into grade A or grade B output by a sorter driven by a motor servo motor. And finally, the weight size is determined by the program created in the Arduino using microcontroller. Based on that description, there are several things that can be concluded. Measuring the maturity size of gonadal mature crabs based on the body weight, length, or width relationship is important in order to manage the availability of crab stocks in nature so that their abundance is maintained. Mangrove crab chapter efforts, especially in Scylla genus, can be optimized through stock enhancement, which included habitat improvement and restocking. So, this concludes the focus of discussion today. In the end, I'd like to highlight two, they are commercially economical. They play very important role in functioning of aquatic ecosystem, especially in Antarctica. It can be used as guideline for the future research by the fishery biologists and conservation biologists for successful development, management, and production. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.